Okay, today I'm talking about how to build your own certified N95 mask. This solution came out of an obvious problem when Corona first hit. Couldn't find masks anywhere online or in any local store, so I had to get creative. So I went out to Dick's Sporting Goods and purchased an altitude mask. You see these athletes use them to increase their lung capacity. Next thing I did was I picked up some filters from the local grocery store. And the final piece, Vicks Vapor Rub from the drugstore. How this works is turn the mask over. Now, don't pay attention to that. That's just Vicks practicing for the video, so it doesn't look nasty like that. So basically, get your cotton swab and rub it to the Vicks, rub it in there real good. Take your filter, place it in, a few hard presses, and you're good to go. Now, this works as triple layer protection. The first one is obviously the airflow lever, which is not really needed. The second one is, what happens is with the Vicks Vapor Rub, the air particles are coming in and they hit the actual Vicks wall of Vicks Vapor Rub on there, so it's going to act like a glue, so it's going to trap all those particles, so they won't even get past that. And then the third is an actual filter, easy breathable. And you know, the Vicks makes sense because we all use it for on your chest and breathe, you know, under your nose anyway. So it was the perfect thing. Even mine is has a fragrance, so if you can tolerate the smell of the regular one or you get the scented version, it smells pretty good, doesn't bother me. No headaches. Now, if you want to take things to the next level, you can also get, this is some ground up charcoal, buy at your grocery store as well. What you do is you take a pad and you sprinkle it on there. I would, you know, for purpose of the video, I did this as a rush job, but you would make it like to a fine powder. You can sprinkle on as much as you want. And take some Vicks. Take some more Vicks here. Dab it on. And you're good to go. Now, if you want to get really secure to seal it, you can take some Scotch tape, tape it around the edges. So what you do is you have your pad. You take off your pad, the plain pad. Now you got a charcoal pad. So now you got 4 layers of protection. You got the airflow. You got the Vicks as the glue. Now you got charcoal and you got the paper, the cotton filter above that. And that's how you make your own custom certified mask.